Hi, this video shows you how to set up the appearance and publish the Bookly Services form on your site. One of the main benefits of this booking form type is that you can organize services using categories and display them to your clients in a catalog view. To create your own custom design of the form, go to the Appearance section in Bookly. Select Services Form, then click Add New Form. Here, you can modify all elements, rename fields, and edit text to suit your needs. Click on the desired area and update the existing template on the right side. You can adjust the width and height of category and service cards, choose the main color of the booking form, and define which categories and services will be visible to your clients. In the Categories list on the right, choose Custom. Then select Categories from the drop-down menu. Only the selected categories will be shown to your customers. If you'd like to create a form for a single service, you can hide the category and service steps, then select one service in the Custom drop-down. You can also hide certain services in the form by selecting them in the Hidden Services drop-down menu. This way, you can create service-specific forms to use on separate web pages. Switch between the tabs to customize the form as you like and choose which fields to keep or remove. You can also apply your own custom CSS to restyle the booking form if needed. When you're done, click Save, then click Back. A unique shortcode for the form you created will appear on its card. Click on the menu button to copy it. Then, go to Pages or Posts and paste the shortcode into the page where you want to publish your booking form. You can create multiple custom forms for specific services or staff members and place them on the relevant booking pages. All reservations made through these forms will be added to the same Bookly calendar. On the front end, the category card will display included services, the category image, and its description. When a client clicks on a catalog card, they will see only the services from that category. If you upload a service image or staff photo in the settings, those will also be visible on the front end. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and check the links in the description to learn more about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comments below. See you soon!